Hello everyone. In today's video, I am going to show you how to edit a PDF file on your computer. So let's get right into it. Here, I have a sample PDF file saved on my desktop that I need to edit. To do that, I'll open Microsoft Word, navigate to File, Open, click on Browse, find the PDF, and click Open. A message will pop up asking if you want to convert the PDF to an editable Word document. Click OK to continue. Once the file opens, you can edit the text, add or remove images, and reformat your document just as you would with any other Word file. Let me go ahead and make some edits to this document. After you have made your edits, you have the option to save the document as either a Word document or a PDF. I will save mine as a PDF. To do this, go to File, choose Save As, select where you want to save your file. I will save mine on desktop, rename my file to PDF Edit, then select PDF from the Save As type drop-down menu. And that's it. You now know how to edit PDF files on your computer using Microsoft Word. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions or suggestions for topics you want me to cover, please leave a comment below. See you in the next video. Take care.